Want to make a full-time income from home while living anywhere? Thailand, Portugal, Mexico, wherever Wi-Fi exists? Click the link in the description to start your remote career today. Now, let's talk about the 6 real jobs that actually pay your bills abroad, not just pocket money. Hey, what's up, everyone? If you're watching this, you're probably dreaming about waking up in Bali, Lisbon, Mexico City, or Thailand with real money hitting your bank account every month. Not some $300 digital nomad fantasy. I'm talking about actual remote jobs that pay the bills abroad in 2025, even if you have zero fancy experience right now. I've lived in 4 countries in the last 3 years on these exact roles, and today I'm handing you the 6 highest-paying, most beginner-friendly ones that companies are desperately hiring for right now. No fluff, no start a blog nonsense. Just jobs, real salaries, where to apply, and how to get hired fast. Let's go. Virtual assistant work. Still the fastest way to get hired overseas. Virtual assistant, but not the 5 an hour kind everyone complains about. In 2025, the average new VA who niches down is charging $25–40 an hour within 90 days, and top ones are pulling $60–80 working 20 hours a week from a beach in Canggu. Here's what changed. Businesses are drowning after AI took over the boring stuff, so they now pay premium for humans who can do high-trust tasks. Think inbox zero systems, client onboarding, project management in Notion, or running podcast launches. You do not need 5 years of experience. If you've ever managed a group trip, run a family calendar without losing your mind, or kept a retail store from falling apart on weekends, you already have the skills. The secret? Pick one niche and own it. I know someone making 78 DHR as a launch VA. She only helps course creators with launch timelines. Another friend does nothing but Pinterest management and clears $6K a month from Tulum. Where to start today? Time Etc. pays $18–30 each hour and trains you. Boldly, premium clients $20–45 HR, and the Facebook group Virtual Assistant Jobs, where 6-figure business owners post daily. Pro Move, send voice note applications on LinkedIn. 48% higher response rate than boring cover letters. Next, Junior Recruiter. This is the hidden 6-figure pipeline nobody talks about. Tech companies and staffing agencies are paying $22–35 an hour, plus commissions to people with zero recruiting experience because they just need smart, likable humans who can spot talent on LinkedIn. A typical week. You message 50 designers or developers, have 10-minute screening calls, and pass the best ones to the hiring manager. That's it. I know a former barista in Colombia, making $5–800 a month doing this 25 hours a week for a US startup. Companies dying to hire right now. Andela, Terminal, Crossover, and Recruiter Flow. Search Talent Sourcer Remote, or Recruiting Coordinator Entry Level, on LinkedIn. Hundreds of postings this week. Bonus. Most pay in USD and don't care if you're in Vietnam time zone. Online Subject Tutor. The one that pays up to $75 an hour without a teaching certificate. Platforms like Tutor.com, Wisent, and Preply exploded because parents are paying anything to get their kids through AP Calculus or SAT Prep. If you got an A in high school chemistry 10 years ago, you're already qualified for middle school science. One of my subscribers went from broke English teacher in Argentina to 68 HR tutoring US college stats from Medellin. Works 18 hours a week, lives like a king. Start on Wisent, you set your own rate. Yup.com, they pay $18–30 are guaranteed. Or go direct to parents in the Facebook group, Homeschooling High School Help. You can literally be tutoring from a cafe in Georgia, the country, while getting paid US rates. Example, Sarah, a former retail worker in Romania who got us in high school biology 10 years ago, now charges $55 on Wisent, helping US middle schoolers with science. 15 hours a week from Bucharest cafes, pocketing $3,300–$3,800 a month after fees. Start today on Wisent. You set your own rate, Yup.com, or jump into the Homeschooling High School Help Facebook group and offer your first session. Number 4. Remote Test Proctor, the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it digital nomad sidekick. Universities, certification bodies, and big testing companies need real humans to watch students take online exams and make sure nobody's cheating. You're on Zoom, monitoring 410 webcams at once, checking IDs, scanning rooms, and quietly reporting anything weird. Pay is $18-$28 an hour, sometimes per exam, $35-$60 for a 2-hour final session. Real example. My friend Anna in Portugal works for Examity and Proctor U. She logs in at 7 p.m. Lisbon time, afternoon US, watches American college kids take finals, and by midnight she's done, 4 hours, $110-$140 in the bank, then sleeps in. She only works Monday-Thursday during US exam season and clears an extra $2,800-$3,200 a month while traveling full-time. Another guy I know in South Africa does the morning US shifts from Cape Town and stacks it with his VA gig to hit $6K plus total. All you need is a quiet room, good internet, and the ability to stay professional on camera. They hire worldwide, train you in a week, and you pick your own blocks. Closed captioner and subtitle editor. YouTube, Netflix, and universities are legally required to caption everything now, and auto captions are still garbage with accents and technical terms. Companies like Rev, 3Play Media, Vitac, and Caption Max pay $22-$55 an hour once you're trained. Entry level starts around 0.60, 120 per video minute, which equals 24.40 HR when you're fast. Example 1. One captioner I know lives in Chiang Mai, works 4 hours a day on medical lectures and reality TV, and clears $4,800 a month. Opposite schedules mean premium rush rates. Example 2. My friend Leo in Buenos Aires is bilingual, English-Spanish, and captions Netflix shows plus live sports. He passed the Rev test, then got picked up by a sports network for live soccer games, now pulls 52 HR on weekends while sipping coffee at 10 a.m. Argentina time when it's primetime US bilingual. You jump straight to the top pay scale and never run out of work. Social media coordinator. Remote social media manager for small but serious brands. Every gym, dentist, real estate agent, and e-com store finally woke up. They need Reels and TikTok, or they're dead. And they'll pay one reliable human $30-$60 an hour instead of an agency. My friend Jess went from $0 to $8,400 a month, managing 5 clients, 15 hours total, from a van in Portugal. And here's another one everyone asks about. Mike, a former server in Mexico, started managing 3 local restaurants in Playa del Carmen from his laptop. 6 months later, he's at $6,200 a month USD, works from 9-12 every morning, then hits the beach. He found all 3 clients in the Facebook group, Social Media Managers to Hire, just by posting before and after reels he made for fun. Build a quick 3-post portfolio for a fake coffee shop or gym. Post it in those groups or on beonremote.com, and you're hired. Here's the truth. You don't need permission, a degree, or 10 years of experience. You need one skill, packaged well, and the confidence to apply to 20 jobs this week. So here's the real takeaway. Remote work isn't some online dream anymore. It's just real work done from anywhere. Pick one skill, commit to it, and actually start applying. You don't need a perfect resume or a degree to make this work. Your income isn't limited by where you live. It's limited by how fast you take action. Which one of these are you starting with? Drop it in the comments. VA, recruiter, tutor, proctor, captioner, or social media. And I'll reply with the very first step you should take today. Smash the like button if you're done settling for local salaries. Subscribe because next week I'm dropping the highest paying non-customer service remote jobs that nobody's gatekeeping. And I'll see you in the next one.